Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is just a simple tutorial using the HUDDAH Cosmetics eyeliner and lipstick and the eyeshadow palette. Yeah, enjoy the video. So my intro song got copyrighted, but just enjoy the words, pictures, leaves, whatever. Yeah. So I've already done my brows off camera and I just want to use a powder to set that up. Why am I smiling like that? Anyway, I'm just happy to do a video. So I'm going to use the Obsession Makeup Brow Duo. I like mixing the shades just to make it look natural-ish. Yeah. So just to neaten up the brow area, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Cream Contour Palette. This is in the shade Medium Dark. And I'm just blending that out because we don't want halo brows. Using that same palette, I'm going to use one of those whitish shades as an eyeshadow base, and this will make my eyeshadow pop. If you have a eyeshadow primer, you can go ahead and use that. Then I'm going to use the HUDDAH Stargirl Edition eyeshadow palette. It's a very nice palette. This is one of my favorites. I'm just going to use the shade Juba. That's a dark shade. I'm just going to use that to darken parts of my eye, if I can say that. Yeah, just to darken the areas that I want dark. You can keep going back and forth, adding more product, and don't forget to blend that out. Oh yes, it's called a crease. So I'm going to use the shade Juba to darken my crease. Then going in with another brush, I will use the shade Kisumu just to blend out the Juba shade, which had caused a very harsh line. Then depending on how bold you want your eyeshadow look to be, keep going in with the darker shades just to, yeah, bring out those colors more. Shade, I'm going to use the shade and I'm going to put that all over my lid, but I'm going to use a brush for better precision, just to make it look like I have a cut crease, but without using a concealer. So next is the HUDDAH liquid eyeliner. This is a very beginner friendly, affordable eyeliner, just 15,000 shillings. Yeah, depending on where you're buying it from. A very good eyeliner. I love the brush. The brush does make it easy to apply to the eyes, and it's not waterproof to my liking, but it is waterproof, but it's also smudge proof, but it's not waterproof to the way I want it. Yeah, but it's a good eyeliner for beginners. You can get that here in Uganda, or you can go onto their website. I'll leave that in the description box below. Next is the matte liquid lipstick from HUDDAH. This is the shade VAMP. It's a very beautiful red shade. Now I'm not a fan of red lipstick, but I do like this shade. I like the way it came out on my skin tone. I saw so many people trying it out, but I just decided to try it on myself. I don't like the smell. It doesn't smell nice. It smells like a chemical, but I think they're trying to put some sort of strawberry scent, but it stayed more on the chemical scent side. But it didn't mean that much. It's okay, I can live with that. So this lipstick dries out fairly fast, but by the time it dries out, at least you have time to blend it out either with another lipstick or with your lip liner. And this lipstick stayed on the whole day. I ate a Rolex and I still had lipstick on. yeah, that is a good lipstick in my opinion. Yeah, that's a good lipstick. If I can eat a Rolex and the lipstick stays on, that's a good lipstick. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture. I wish I did. But yeah, keep going, blending in either with another lip liner or another lipstick, and that is a finished look. You have your perfect red lipstick. So using Freedom Makeup Professional All Control Setting Spray, I'm going to bathe in setting spray to set everything and change. Voila, new outfit. And that's it guys, that is the finished look with these amazing products. I'm going to leave the website in the description box below, but if you can get these, I recommend that you do get them. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.